It's house moving day, and I thought I would have you join me move my kitchen from one home to another. So, this is what I've been working with. I've emptied out the first of my cupboards and I've popped everything onto the counter now, and I've got some fun of these bags to move some of the food in. I've got some containers. I'll just kind of see how we go as the day progresses. And I've started packing my little bag there, and I have emptied out the second cupboard. I thought it would be helpful. It's just leaving cereal up there. I've got cereal, we've got milk in the fridge, so the kids want some meals while we're in the process of moving. Cereal with milk is a good option. And my counter situation now, I have to work out where I'm going to put all the cans. I think instead of overloading one bag, I might get some of my shopping bags out and put them in. I've brought all these into the house in shopping bags, so why not move them out in shopping bags? So I'm going to just work out where I'm going to put all this lot now. So this is the shopping bag I was talking of. I just love it, from Lidl. So cute. So inside it I've got all the heavy cans, so I've go shopping in this bag. It can take the weight of all those cans, and I think there was just only a bottle of Pesto's bottles of glass, but all those cans. This pretty Disney princess bag is getting filled up with food as well. So far we've got one and a bit empty cupboards. I'm kind of prioritizing the food for now, and then we'll work out how we're going to do our mug situation in this little mess over here. But we're going to take it a bag at a time. I might have to move these over and then come back with empty bags. We'll work it out and see how we go. And down here is even more food. I kind of haven't ever done a kitchen tour. This is a kitchen tour at the end of what's going on as I'm leaving. Got more food down here. I've got some baking supplies. Oh, it's really difficult to see, it's so dark. Snacks, chocolate down here. So we'll attack this cupboard now. Now I've got 3 bags full over here of food. I've got another shopping bag, a couple of shopping bags, and this Disney princess bag. Those 3 are full, and those 2 cupboards are empty. And this one is now completely empty too. So satisfying. I've still got one more cupboard with food in it, which is over here. And I think that's going to just have to wait until later. We'll move all of this and we'll come back for that one. I'm in the new house now, and I have decided for these 2 cupboards to be the pantry, not have a million cupboards in every corner of the kitchen. Let's see how it goes. All my pantry. Let's see if I can condense everything down. I'm going to unpack it for now, and then I really want to get some storage solutions. I can see what I've got and work out what I'm going to do going forward. I've made a start over there. I thought I'd put the lighter items on the top and all the cans and bottles down the bottom. I feel it's safer that way. So I feel I've got a bit of a system, and I feel like I'm just going to keep going. I feel I made the right choice here. There's a lot of space. I'm quite enjoying slowly finding out where to put everything. Unpacked a little bit more. Yeah, I've got loads of those porridges. My kids love them for breakfast to just grab and go when they go to college, so they're always helpful. Let me keep unpacking. I've got these 2 to go, and there is still more food at my old home too. I've gone for an upper shelf just for our tea, hot chocolate, and our favourite mugs, so they're all ready to go when our peppermint tea or hot chocolate. Okay, I'm kind of happy with this place it's at for today. Moved quite a lot, and I've prioritised the pantry. I've still got lots of other bits to do, but I'm quite happy with how it looks. And I'm still going to bring more from my old home to the new home, but I haven't had a nice sized pantry that I can no, it's kind of in the bottom shelves. Maybe it should be the top one, but I like that it's all here concise together. I feel like I can film more videos here, little pantry tours. This is a little bit of organised chaos at the moment. I feel I need some storage solutions. I've ended up with this bag down the bottom with all like random bits of snacks and things that I need to kind of sort out and think of more, but everything else kind of looks neat enough for now. We've got loads of all the pasta in the cans there. I am still doing a bit of organised chaos, working through everything. Once it's complete, please leave a comment. Let me know if you want me to do a full pantry tour, my thoughts on how I've organized everything, where everything is, and yeah, I'm gonna get some storage solutions, and once I've got those in as well, it might be nice to share that with you. But let me know if you're interested, if you like this kind of comment. I really appreciate your input. So that is the video for today. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.